Hi, and welcome to our channel, The Garden of Knowledge, where you can find information and knowledge about anything around you.
Have you ever heard about sun, earth, and plants are good friends? That they always like to work and play together? Are you ready to hear more? Alright, let's go! Photosynthesis is the process in which plants use sunlight to make their own food. Photosynthesis is necessary for life on Earth. Without it, there would be no green plants, and without plants, there would be no humans and animals. Then, how photosynthesis does work? Photosynthesis requires sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Chlorophyll is substance in all green plants, especially in the leaves. Plants take in water from the soil and the carbon dioxide from the air. Photosynthesis starts when chlorophyll absorbs energy from sunlight. Green plants use this light energy to change water and the carbon dioxide into oxygen and nutrients called sugars. The plants use some of the sugars and store the rest. The oxygen is released into the air. Why photosynthesis is important? Photosynthesis is very important because almost all living things depend on plants for food. Photosynthesis is also important because of the oxygen it produces. Humans and other animals need to breathe in oxygen to survive. Some living things other than plants also make their own food through photosynthesis. They include certain types of bacteria and algae. It's time to have fun.
If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. A plant of any size can do it if it tries, but we're not green, so we can't photosynthesize. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Now, did you understand what is photosynthesis? Do you want to test yourself by answering some question with me? Okay, let's go. Question number 1. Plants need what 3 things for photosynthesis? A. Water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. B. Glucose, water, and sunlight. C. Oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide. D. Water, oxygen, and sunlight. Did you find the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is A, which is water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Second question. Which of the following is food for the plant? A, water, B, oxygen, C, sunlight, D, glucose. The correct answer of second question is C, sunlight. Alright, good job. Now it's time for real experience. Let's begin my smart science. Firstly, under adult supervision, we prepare the items which we need for this experiment. We need 1 cardboard box, 2 glass cups, 2 leaves, and some water. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, we put some amount of water into glass cup, which we prepared. Then, put the leaves into glass separately. For the first glass cup, we put under the cardboard. For the second glass cup, we put under the sunlight. After 1 hour, we bring it back and see the changes on leaves. On water, compare it with first cup, which we put it under the cardboard box. You can share your findings now with your family, parents, or friends. Hope you enjoy this experiment.
Do you know that photosynthesis also is one of the natural phenomena that was mentioned in the Quran? In Al-Quran, verse 99, Allah mentioned, "And He is the one who sends down rain from the sky, causing all kinds of plants to grow, producing green stalks from which we bring forth clustered grain. And from palm trees come clusters of dates hanging within reach. There are also gardens of grapevines, olives, and pomegranates, similar in shape but dissimilar in taste. Look at their fruit as it yields and ripens. Indeed, in these are signs for people who believe." The verse before mentioned about the green stalks, which also known as the chlorophyll, or the green pigments found in the plants, which helps the photosynthesis process. This process is very important for the living things on Earth, as chlorophyll is the foundation of the life. Without these green pigments, the plants will never grow, and without the plants, no living things like humans or animal will survive in this world. The chlorophyll is the part of the plants, and it functions as the producer for the living things, which is a basic component in the food chain. Then it is consumed by other living things such as animals and humans. Producer is also very important as it is the source of living for every creation in this world. The more we learn about the nature, the more we are able to see how Allah has created balance in this world where all His creations in this earth are supporting each other's life. So, that's it for our video today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can receive our new video every week. Thank you. Bye.